Hey there! Craving a hearty lasagna but need a vegetarian version? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make the most flavorful vegetarian lasagna that'll make even meat lovers ask for seconds. Perfect for family dinners and so easy to make. All ingredients are listed in the description below. Let's get cooking. All right, let's get our lasagna started. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. Once it's boiling, drop in those lasagna noodles. We want them just floppy enough to work with, not completely soft since they'll keep cooking in the oven. Time to prep those noodles for later. Carefully drain them and lay each one flat on some aluminum foil. Trust me on this, it prevents them from sticking together and makes assembly so much easier later. I like to slightly separate the foil sheets so they don't steam each other. Let's get our veggie sauce going. Grab your favorite large pan and heat up that olive oil over medium heat. Toss in your chopped onions and let them do their thing until they become nice and translucent, about 5 minutes. Then add that minced garlic and let those amazing aromas fill your kitchen.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Now for the star vegetables. Add your zucchini and yellow squash pieces to the pan, along with a pinch of salt to help them release their moisture. Keep stirring occasionally until they're tender, but still hold their shape. Once they're looking good, add those beautiful roasted red peppers to the mix. Time to transform this into a proper sauce. Pour in your crushed tomatoes. Add another pinch of salt. Those red pepper flakes for a little kick. And that fresh basil that makes everything smell amazing. Let it simmer away until it thickens up slightly. We don't want it too watery. While our sauce is simmering, let's prep our creamy ricotta layer. In a bowl, mix together the ricotta and eggs until they're well combined. Add a pinch of salt and that gorgeous Parmesan cheese. This is going to add such amazing flavor to our lasagna. Here comes the fun part. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grab your baking dish. Start by spreading a thin layer of our vegetable sauce on the bottom. This prevents the noodles from sticking and burning. Now we're building our lasagna layers. Start with a layer of noodles. Spread some of that ricotta mixture. Sprinkle with mozzarella. And top with our vegetable sauce. Keep repeating these layers until you've used up all your ingredients. For the final layer, place your last noodles on top, cover them with the remaining vegetable sauce, and finish with a generous sprinkle of mozzarella. This top layer is going to get beautifully golden and bubbly. Cover your dish with foil, not too tight, we don't want it touching the cheese, and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. After that, remove the foil and let it bake for another 15 minutes until everything's hot and bubbly. Last step, turn on your broiler and let the top get golden brown, about 2 minutes, but watch it carefully. Then comes the hardest part, letting it cool for about 15 minutes before serving. This helps it set up nicely so you can get those perfect slices.